Hi guys, welcome back to a next video. Guys, happy Sunday to you guys. Happy Sunday. So guys, welcome all my old subscriber, and if you are new, welcome and thank you all for coming. Thank you all for stopping by. Okay guys, but don't forget, if you don't subscribe us yet, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment and thumbs up the video if you love it and if you enjoy this recipe. Pick up on yourself guys. And in today's video I'm making some chicken breast, jerk chicken breast, Jamaican style. Okay guys, so what I did, I cut up wash it off with my vinegar and lime, and I just cut off the bone and slice it up like this. That's it, kind of thick, even though I slice one chicken breast in two, so so it's still thick. So I just slice them that the season can go inside and everywhere can soak. Let me put it in the oven. All right, so I have 4 chicken breasts here. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm gonna make it soak for 5. You can make it soak. You can make the chicken breast soak in the vinegar and the lemon water for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna take it out of this water now. We have piece of napkin and towel. I just take off some of the water off of the chicken. Is what I'm gonna put on my chicken breast. This is some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add some paprika, basil, dry basil leaf, some salt, some pepper, black pepper, all-purpose, and some garlic powder, and my paprika. Okay guys, so let's mix up all these seasons and put them together. Okay guys, so I'm gonna mix up all of my seasons, mix them up together. Guys, I never remember to tell you about my jerk seasoning, and I'm using mild. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do first is just put some olive oil over my chicken. So today I'm not gonna use no gloves because no bone in this. So I'm not going to use no gloves. I'll just use my bare hand and just rub in the season in the chicken breast. can put it down for marinade for about half an hour to an hour. You know, that seeds can soak in. When the seeds are soaking, you know, I say it tastes great. Yes, and I just put it down for a while. Okay, guys.